us first go to self-pollination. We have defined self-pollination as that process where there is transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower. Therefore, one important condition necessary for self-pollination is that flower must be bisexual. It means it should contain both androecium and gynoecium. This is one important condition. Another important condition is that androecium and gynoecium must mature at the same time. Androecium and gynoecium should mature at the same time. Otherwise, self-pollination cannot happen. Therefore, in most of the flowers that exhibit self-pollination, we see another situation that is called cleiostogamy. Cleiostogamy is a condition where the petals remain closed. Petals remain closed, therefore there is no possibility of either the anther or the carpel coming in contact with other flowers. So the pollen grains have to fall on the stigma of the same flower. This condition is called cleiostogamy. This is very common in members of the pea family. Leguminosae family, most of the examples exhibit this condition. There are some advantages of self-pollination. One advantage is that the offspring will be genetically identical to the parent plants. Since the same flower is involved with its androecium and gynoecium, offspring will be genetically identical to the parent plants. In other words, we can say genetic variations are in general absent. So this process helps in developing pure lines. But self-pollination has some Disadvantages. The greatest disadvantage what we have seen is that there are no variations, therefore adaptability is less. Adaptability is less. Another disadvantage is possibility of diseases. If the parent plant is infected with virus or bacteria, the same disease can be carried on to the offspring also. Therefore, in the plant kingdom, among angiosperms, self-pollination is less common compared to cross-pollination.